Hello there, ladies and gentlemen, Algebra 2. This is Mr. Guy here to give you a little rundown about what to expect over the next couple of weeks as we do this online instruction. First of all, I want to say that I'm missing you guys, and I hope that you're all doing well on your time off here, and I hope you're not playing too many video games. And I know you're all excited to be back doing math again. I know that's everybody's favorite thing to do right now. If we go ahead and we take a look, so you're going to notice when you get into Schoology, it's going to look a little differently than what I have here, but you're going to find this folder here that says Home Learning beginning March 30th. That is where you're going to be going to access everything that you need. So there's going to be two different sections in there. The top one is for the first 6 days, March 30th to April 6th, and then the next 4 days, April 7th to 15th. That includes there's a spring break in the middle there. We're not expecting you guys to do work during that time currently, so there'll be 4 days of instruction there, and then the first 6 days is a weekend in between those days there. Basically, there's going to be kind of two different parts of what you're going to be doing. So the projects that we started before we left, we're going to kind of repurpose and do in a slightly different way, and that's what your first 6 days are going to be like. So if you go ahead and you go into that section, you'll notice that there's only two things in here. Basically, a rubric for what your presentation is going to be, and then a place for you to submit that presentation. And that's going to be your first 6 days is working on this. Basically, we're going to kind of do a smaller version of each thing and kind of combine it all together. So your project that you're going to be working on instead is going to be a little bit of everybody's from before. So if I click on here and bring up the rubric, basically you're going to create a presentation for me that has an example of each thing. So you're going to show me an explanation of how to do substitution, elimination, and graphing. You're then going to show me an example of each of those methods and how to do each of those when you're solving a system of equations. You can show me an example. I want an example with no solution, example with infinite solutions, and then a real world example. So basically kind of everything put together into one presentation from each of you. The one thing that will give you some advice on is that in terms of using resources, you can use your book if you brought it home with you. I don't know if everybody has their book, so I'm not going to try to assign things out of the book. You can also use online, look for different versions of things of how to do substitution, elimination, graphing. Just make sure you're not just copy and pasting over and you are kind of putting things in your own words and your own explanations, okay? There's some more advice on this, but that's basically what the first 6 school days is going to be, is you working up until that Monday, April 6th on this project and submitting it to me. If you have any issues with submitting, there is going to be a file in here that'll kind of give you some advice on how to submit in Schoology. But if that's not working for you, please send me an email and I can make sure to answer that. There will be a little file in here when the day comes in terms of what I expecting for you in terms of communication with me, but my email address will be in there that I want you to email to let me know any problems you're having. Once that is over and we're into the next 4 days, this is where it's going to be a little more structured and not as much of a project. You'll see you have a due now to conclusion in here. That is for the 4 days altogether. So don't feel like you have to do, it's not going to be one each day, more for this kind of whole unit thing that we're going to do here. And there's a couple videos in here. Basically, you're going to be talking about kind of the next step when it comes to doing substitution. And then after you see the video, there's going to be a couple problems for you to do, and then you're going to submit that to me as well. In terms of what I want you guys using to do problems, you can either write on a piece of paper, you can print out the paper that's listed here if you want to and use that. If you don't have paper, there are tools on your iPad you can use to write on. And in the notes section, you can just do problems on there and take screenshots. Basically, we just want some way to be able to see your work and see what you are doing. So make sure you have some way to write that down either on your iPad or on a piece of paper, take pictures, and submit that stuff to me. That's kind of a basic overview of what you can expect over the next couple weeks here. Just make sure that you're trying your best and giving good effort. And, I've said it a lot this year, but I'm not out to get you. So just make sure that you're doing the best you can do and we'll be fine here. All right. Thank you for watching and hope you have a good next couple weeks.